sentence or phrase with meanings such as "I told you so," "Don't you forget it," "You should know," "You dummy," "Umaka kapapa ika hola e iku a." The class started at 7 o'clock. You dummy. It's a Nihao native word. There's another word with the same spelling, with a kako, which is a bone, a jawbone, and it says mandible. I don't know what mandible means, but it's there. Ai olele. Ai olele. Ai olele. It's a Kikino word. It's a pogo stick. Literally means stilt for jumping. Ai olele. Ai a e. Ai spelled I and E. Mailele, which means sexually transmitted disease, STD. Aya, aya iloko kopapa to take a class. Aya vau iloko kopapa olelo vei. Kaya kaukula. I'm taking a Hawaiian language class this summer. Ai palikana. Safe sex. To practice safe sex. Ai palikana. Oi. E como ika pa palikimu. Practice safe sex. Wear a condom. I did not know pa palikimu meant condom. I didn't even know there was a word for condom in Hawaii, but there it is. Papalikimo. Literally safe coitus. Kimo, I'm guessing means. Wait, never mind. What does chemo mean? Let me check. Because I know people's are named chemo. Chemo means tax. The game. Oh, I forgot. This is all new school words. Oh well. Let me check. Let me check the actual online dictionary really quick. Papelikimo. I did not know that condom had a word, but here we are. Chemo. Chemo. Okay, okay, there's another definition other than jacks. The game jacks. So, chemo also means to bob as the head in watching the chemo stone, to bend or fall for a knob and drowsiness, to go headlong, plunge, to dip as a kite. There's also chemo to strike as with a stone, a stick, or a sword. So I'm just gonna continue on. I did not. I apologize, listeners. I did not expect this thing to take that kind of turn. But here we are. Ayano Kako. I don't know how to continue, so I'm just going to continue. It's not over, ladies and gentlemen, because the next thing is Ai Balikana Ole, which means unprotected sex, adding the ole at the end of Ai Balikana, negating it. So unprotected sex, to practice unprotected sex. Alright, the next Hawaiian word is ao, which is a kikino, a cloud, or a general term. Hokole ao, or sorry, hokelo ao is a cloud chamber. For example, a scientific device which detects nuclear particles through the formation of cloud tracks. There's another ao word with a definition. Diurnal, active during the daytime, extraterrestrial space alien is meow. Alright. Aohioi means resistance, for example, opposition to the flow of electricity, or any opposition that slows down or prevents movement of electrons through a conductor. Kaohioi. Aohioi, air resistance. For example, the force of air against a moving object. Limaohioi, resistance arm. For example, the distance from the fulcrum to the resistance force in a lever. Manehu aohioi, resistance